Alright guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano. Now I know you guys are thinking, what is going on with Cardano right now? It seems to be underperforming the rest of the market, and when is it going to catch up and, get back to that $3 price range that we all love to see it at? Well, as you guys can see, we had a bit of a price pump the other day, going up about 8%, which was good to see. However, we did drop back down about 3 or 4%, dropping back down dropping back down about 6%, and now we are just hanging out around that $2.47 price range. Now the question is, when are we going to see some higher highs and get back to that $2.57 price range? As you guys can see, we have some major resistance at this $2.59, $2.60 price range. We hit resistance over here, we hit resistance right here, and we just hit resistance right here the other day. So this is a big resistance line for Cardano, and we need to break through it in order to see Cardano back at that $3 price range. Real quick guys, before we continue, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help the YouTube algorithm. We want as many people as possible to see how much potential Cardano has and how bullish this coin is actually looking. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help the YouTube algorithm. Now I do expect us to retest this resistance line pretty soon. I could see us, zigzagging up all the way up to where we retest this, and if we can actually break through, that is when the real gains are going to happen. However, if we do get rejected once we approach that resistance line again, then I could see us dropping back down to the previous resistance of $2.44. I could see us zigzagging up, retesting this resistance, maybe getting rejected, dropping back down a little bit, and then, retesting it again and hopefully breaking through. Now, if we get a hard rejection at this resistance line, then I could see us dropping down to the $2.45 mark. But what would happen if we actually did break through this resistance? Well, guys, that is when we are going to be looking very bullish on Cardano. As you guys can see, there is not a lot of resistance after that $2.59 price mark. The next resistance, I guess you could say, is over here at the $2.67 price mark and at the $2.73. So if we do end up breaking through this resistance line, then I could see us going all the way up, retesting this $2.66 price resistance, and then if we break through that, shooting up and retesting this $2.72 price resistance. Now, if all goes well there and we break through both of those resistance points in the immediate short term, then we can zoom out and look at the big picture for Cardano. That is when I'm going to expect us back up here in this $3 price range that we all want to be seeing Cardano at. If we break above these two resistance points, then we are going to be sitting around up here, up in this $3 range, which is going to be great. But first, we need to break through this immediate short-term resistance. Then we can start thinking about that $3 Cardano. So like I said, we need to keep an eye on if we can break through this $2.60 price mark. And if we can break through this, then we are going to see those gains. Now, to determine when we are actually going to hit resistance at this $2.60 resistance line, we need to be taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum to see what they're doing. Now, taking a look at Ethereum in particular, we can see that we just hit resistance at the golden pocket zone on Ethereum. We went right up into this golden pocket zone right here, hit resistance, and then dropped back down. Now, if Ethereum can break through this golden pocket zone, as well as Bitcoin breaking through this $49,000 price resistance, then I can see us actually, Cardano actually breaking through its resistance at $2.60. So make sure you guys are keeping an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like I said, if Bitcoin breaks 49,000 and if Ethereum can break this golden pocket zone at, right around $3,670, then I would be expecting Cardano to break through its resistance as well. Now, taking a look at our Lux Algo buying and selling indicators, we can see that we have a sell indicator on the 1 hour chart of Cardano. This popped up about 10 hours ago, and as you can see, it hasn't been very accurate as we really haven't dropped down further than what this sell indicator was at. So this could be a false alarm. But guys, more importantly, we have a strong buy indicator on the 4 hour chart. So when zooming out, we can actually see that Cardano is still looking bullish and having a strong buy indicator. And as expected on the daily chart, we still have a sell indicator, which is expected. We really shouldn't see a buy indicator until we start approaching, that $2.80 range. So this is normal, but I'm not looking too much into it. I'm not too concerned about this sell indicator. What I am looking at is this 4-hour buy indicator, because this shows in the immediate short term that we should see some price gains, and hopefully we'll break this resistance line at $2.49. This is why you guys have to be subscribed to this channel, because I will let you guys know as soon as this strong buy indicator on this 4-hour chart gets turned to a strong sell indicator, and then you guys will know when Cardano is looking bearish. But right now we are looking bullish, which is great. Alright guys, so just to wrap everything up, make sure you guys are keeping an eye on this $2.56 price mark. If we break through this resistance, then that is when you guys should expect Cardano to start returning back to normal. However, until then, we just need to make sure that we are breaking through that resistance. And like I said, keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum and see where they're at. Bitcoin above 49,000 is where we want it to be, and Ethereum above that golden pocket zone, right around that $3,650 price range. That is when we are going to be bearish, that is when we are going to be bullish on Ethereum. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help the YouTube algorithm. And with that guys, I will see you all in the next one.